Hi, my name is Rot, and you all are welcome to my YouTube channel, Bicreditex Today. Our topic is about passive income with AI. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel, Bicreditex. So let's start our journey. Passive income with AI apps can be generated through various methods, such as 1. Generating written AI content. AI programs like ChatGPT can assist with writing content for blog posts, website copy, sales copy for businesses, sponsored social media posts, and more. 2. Creating AI-generated art. AI can be used to create digital art that can be sold or licensed for use in various projects. Developing online courses. AI can help create and sell online courses, which can generate passive income through course sales and affiliate marketing. 3. Automated trading bots. AI-powered trading bots can be used to invest in stocks, cryptocurrencies, or other financial instruments, generating passive income through capital gains and dividends. 4. Content generation AI. AI tools can be used to generate content for blogs, ebooks, and other digital publications, earning royalties from sales and affiliate marketing. 5. Chatbots for customer service. AI-powered chatbots can be used to provide customer service, generating passive income through customer interactions and sales. 6. Affiliate marketing. AI tools can be used to create and manage affiliate marketing campaigns, generating passive income through commissions on sales. To achieve passive income with AI apps, it's essential to approach them with caution, perform due diligence, stay informed about market changes, and continually refine your strategy. Building a sustainable source of passive income takes time and effort, but with the right tools and strategies, it's possible to achieve financial independence and secure your financial future. The apps that are for passive income with AI are 1. Chatbots. Chatbots, powered by AI, can be a source of passive income. There are several ways to generate passive income with AI chatbots, including creating chatbots for customer service, offering chatbot management services, and using AI tools to create and manage affiliate marketing campaigns. AI-powered chatbots can be used to provide customer service, generating passive income through customer interactions and sales. Chatbot management services can be offered to businesses to answer customer queries, convert leads, and increase sales while earning passive chatbot management fees. AI tools can be used to create and manage affiliate marketing campaigns, generating passive income through commissions on sales. To achieve passive income with AI chatbots, it's essential to approach them with caution, perform due diligence, stay informed about market changes, and continually refine your strategy. Building a sustainable source of passive income takes time and effort, but with the right tools and strategies, it's possible to achieve financial independence and secure your financial future. Data sales. One way to generate passive income with AI is by selling data. By gathering customer data and allowing AI to analyze and interpret it, predictions about customer behavior can be made, leading to additional income. Companies may pay for access to this data to inform their business decisions. However, it's important to be cautious and ensure that the data is handled securely and ethically. This method leverages the power of AI to create a passive income stream by monetizing information that is collected and processed. 2. Automated trading bots. Automated trading bots powered by AI can be a source of passive income. These bots use AI algorithms to automate the buying and selling of assets, such as cryptocurrencies or stocks, based on predefined conditions. They can operate 24/7, taking advantage of market opportunities and removing human emotions from the trading process. By leveraging AI technology, these bots can help traders earn profits even when they are not actively involved, making them a potential source of passive income. 3. Content creation. Passive income can be generated through AI-powered content creation. AI tools can produce articles, blog posts, and product descriptions within seconds, enabling the creation of a vast content portfolio with quality and consistency. These tools can generate content for various formats, including blog posts, social media posts, and even video scripts, and can be tailored to match a brand's voice and messaging. By incorporating content generation AI into a passive income strategy, content production can be streamlined, attracting more visitors and ultimately increasing earnings. Additionally, AI can help facilitate the generation of passive income for content creators by creating captivating content more efficiently, assisting with research and business planning, and analyzing data to make informed decisions. 4. Personalized newsletters. AI-powered personalized newsletters can be a source of passive income. AI tools can be used to create newsletters that are tailored to individual subscribers' preferences, including content selection, placement, and subject lines. By providing each subscriber with content tailored to their individual preferences, businesses can increase engagement and ultimately generate more revenue. AI-powered newsletter software solutions like Rasa.io, Geyser, and iPost can help businesses achieve their marketing goals using AI email newsletters to better engage with their audience. Additionally, AI-powered content creation tools can be used to generate articles, blog posts, and product descriptions within seconds, enabling content creators to create a vast content portfolio with quality and consistency. By incorporating content generation AI into a passive income strategy, content production can be streamlined, attracting more visitors and ultimately increasing earnings. 5. Robo-advisor. Robo-advisors, which are AI-driven investment platforms, can be a source of passive income. These tools use algorithms to create and manage a diversified portfolio based on an individual's financial goals and risk tolerance. Popular robo-advisors like Wealthfront and Betterment enable users to invest in a hands-off manner, making them an excellent choice for passive income seekers. By leveraging the power of AI in investment management, individuals can potentially earn passive income through capital gains, dividends, and portfolio growth. However, it's important to conduct thorough research and consider the associated risks before investing with robo-advisors. 6. AI content creators. AI content creators can be a source of passive income. AI tools can generate articles, blog posts, and product descriptions within seconds, enabling the creation of a vast content portfolio with quality and consistency. These tools can generate content for various formats, including blog posts, social media posts, and even video scripts, and can be tailored to match a brand's voice and messaging. By incorporating content generation AI into a passive income strategy, content production can be streamlined, attracting more visitors and ultimately increasing earnings. Free AI tools like ChatGPT, Google Bard, Bing Chat, Claude, and others allow you to describe what you want by writing simple text, and you receive high-quality written content on a wide range of topics. Additionally, AI-powered content creation tools, such as OpenAI's GPT-3, can generate high-quality articles, blog posts, and marketing copy with minimal human input. Entrepreneurs and content creators can leverage these tools to automate the production of engaging content, leading to passive income through advertising revenue, affiliate marketing, and more. 7. AI predictive models. AI predictive models can be used to generate passive income in various ways. Some of these methods include 1. Automated trading. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data and identify profitable trading opportunities, allowing users to make informed decisions and generate passive income. 2. Content generation. AI can be used to create written content, such as blog posts, articles, and ebooks, which can be monetized through affiliate marketing or selling the content directly. Online courses. AI can help create and sell online courses, which can generate passive income through course sales and affiliate marketing. 4. Chatbots. AI-powered chatbots can be developed for small businesses, providing customer support and generating passive income through service fees. 5. Local lead generation. AI can be used to rank local lead generation websites, generating passive income through lead sales and affiliate marketing. 6. Recommender systems. AI-powered recommender systems can be used in online advertising, helping businesses target their ads to the right audience and generating passive income through ad revenue. 7. Data. Monetization. AI can be used to analyze and monetize user data, such as selling targeted advertising space or providing data insights to businesses. To create passive income using AI, it is essential to leverage the technology's capabilities and adapt to the ever-evolving landscape of AI applications. This may involve staying updated on the latest AI trends, continuously improving your skills, and exploring new opportunities as they arise. 8. Invest in AI stocks. Investing in AI stocks can be a way to generate passive income through dividends and capital appreciation. Some AI stocks and exchange-traded funds, ETFs, focused on AI include 1. Global X Robotics and Artificial Intelligence ETF, BOTZ. This ETF invests in companies involved in robotics, automation, and AI too. ARK Autonomous Technology and Robotics ETF, ARKQ. This ETF focuses on companies involved in autonomous vehicles, robotics, and AI 3. iShares US Technology, ETF, IYW. This ETF invests in technology companies, including those involved in AI 4. Vanguard Information Technology ETF, VGT. This ETF invests in technology companies, including those involved in AI 5. Invesco QQQ Trust, QQQ. This ETF tracks the NASDAQ 100 index, which includes many technology companies involved in AI. To invest in AI stocks and generate passive income, consider the following steps. 1. Research. Study the performance and holdings of AI ETFs and individual AI stocks to find the best investment options for your portfolio. 2. Diversify. Spread your investments across multiple AI ETFs and individual AI stocks to minimize risk and maximize potential returns. 3. Monitor. Regularly review your investments and adjust your portfolio as needed to maintain a balanced and diversified allocation. 4. Reinvest. Reinvest dividends and capital gains to compound your returns and grow your passive income over time. Remember that investing in AI stocks and ETFs carries risks, and past performance is not a guarantee of future results. It's essential to conduct thorough research and consider your investment goals and risk tolerance before investing in AI stocks. 9. Sell pictures. Selling AI-generated images can be a source of passive income by creating and selling these images on platforms like Adobe Stock. Individuals can earn significant revenue. To start, creators need to produce in-demand and unique AI-generated images that stand out. Platforms such as Wirestock and FreePic are recommended for selling AI-generated images. Additionally, creators can offer AI art on social media, create AI art merchandise, and explore selling NFTs to generate passive income. Using AI tools like Midjourney and DALL-E, creators can experiment with different prompts and styles to discover new opportunities and niches in the stock image market. By leveraging AI technology, individuals can build a valuable asset base that generates passive income. Thank you. These are some things from which you can make money online with AI. If you like our channel, Bicreditex, please like, share, and subscribe. Goodbye.